Senate Bill 7. Imagine this. Imagine your town needs to fix its water system. Instead of your city council deciding what gets built and when, a state agency in Austin controls the money, picks the priorities, and hires the consultants. Your town can apply, but it waits in line behind bigger projects backed by powerful interests. What the bill says it does? Senate Bill 7 says it will protect Texas from future water shortages by funding new water supplies like pipelines, desalination, and reuse projects. What it actually does? This means the Texas Water Development Board can control billions of dollars in water funding while local communities lose direct control over which projects come first. This means large, expensive projects can move ahead faster while small towns and rural systems wait longer. This also means decisions shift from voters and local boards to a permanent state structure with limited outside oversight. Who benefits? Large engineering and construction firms, major industrial water users like petrochemical and manufacturing companies, big metro growth coalitions and chambers of commerce, state agencies that gain long-term control over funding and planning. Who pays the price? Small towns and rural water systems, local taxpayers who still carry long-term debt, landowners affected by state-planned pipelines, everyday Texans who have less say over how their water money is spent. Why it matters. Water is not just about pipes. It affects housing costs, local taxes, jobs, and growth. When decisions move away from local voters, communities lose the ability to protect their own priorities. If big projects soak up most of the funding, smaller communities can be left with higher bills and fewer options. Questions to ask your lawmakers. How will you make sure small towns are not pushed aside by billion-dollar projects backed by industry? Why concentrate so much control in one state agency instead of strengthening local decision-making? And would you support regular independent reviews so Texas can see how this money is really being used? Bottom line, Senate Bill 7 promises water security, but it shifts power and control away from local communities and into the hands of a centralized system that favors the biggest players first.